Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be discussing about how to set up a stop loss on Bullx. By default, Bullx does not offer stop loss feature, but you can still manage your risk and protect your investments using alternative strategies. One of the most important one is setting up alerts and indicators. When the asset reaches a specific price, you'll receive a notification. You can then log in and manually sell the asset to limit your losses. That's how alerts work. Tip number 2, keep track of your investments closely, especially during high volatility. You can do it by going to the portfolio section. Decide in advance how much of a loss you're willing to tolerate. Regularly compare the current price to your entry price and exit the position manually if it crosses your threshold. If managing risk manually is not feasible or convenient for you, my advice to you is to transition to a platform that offers stop loss orders and other advanced trading tools. And that's it for today's video. If you like the video, do consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next video.